In a beautiful sunny garden, Lulu and Zuzu were playing their favorite game. 9, 10, ready or not, here I come. As Lulu looked for Zuzu, they heard a happy little sound. Oink oink, oink oink. A small pig named Penny came into view, covered in mud spots and holding a colorful pig cookie. Hi, I'm Penny. I was just making mud pies. Now it's time for my snack. Wait, Penny, your hands look like they had a lot of fun in the mud. That's right. Before you eat, you need to wash away the tiny invisible germs. They can give you a tummy ache. Germs? But I cannot see them. They are like tiny sneaky ninjas. But we know how to beat them. We have a special song too. Do you want to learn it? Yes, please. Okay, let's sing together. Turn the water, not so hot. Get some soap, a bubbly dot. Rub your hands and make some foam. Send these peaky germs all home. Scrub the tops and palms with glee. In between the fingers, you and me. Count to 20, nice and slow. That's the way the bubbles grow. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 20. Now we rinse the germs away. Hooray, hooray, hooray. Dry your hands so clean and neat. Now your snack will be a treat. Wow, they're so clean. The germs are all gone. See, now it's safe to enjoy your cookie. Mmm, delicious. Thank you, Lulu and Zuzu. And we be friends? Of course. And so, dear friends, with clean hands and happy hearts, the three new friends shared their snack under the warm sun. Remember, wash your hands to stay healthy and happy. Will you follow? Comment below and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.